Hello there traders, Petr Chimich here from vycanalysis.com. I want to post the additional video and additional setup on the USD Japanese yen I found. I took a few hours ago, and it's already very good progress since the price actually went down for a 75-80 pips. But anyway, you can still catch the, for example, if there is some correction, you can catch probably the similar price, you know. So wait for some correction, and then you can try to catch also the take profit I'm aiming. So since I got a message about my subscriber who basically use also the James 16 technique. Probably you heard about James 16. His technique basically is based on the candle patterns, on the variations, the different candle patterns in combination with the price action and the pivotal points on the support and resistance levels, conclusion areas, and also you can use the Bollinger Bands and moving averages. So you absolutely can combine that technique, for example, with volume analysis, and together, you know, with of course I also have the Ichimoku chart here, and I will explain you what is for me the perfect setup, and I combine, for example, the candle formations, that James also using a lot in his trading as well. So, and I hope you will you'll find this also useful, and that you will see the power if you combine different variations, different techniques in one. But why they will work? Because they based on the price action. So that's a key part. So let's start with this. My selling position. I sold around the 105.60 level. I sold since we are in the strong downward trend on USD Japanese yen, and I found the very critical area around 106.85, 106.80. This level is also the level where this massive supply started for this climax day here, and we can see that the price actually managed to go to test 50 and actually break above. We was 2 days above the 50 MA, but what we got here is the classic candle formation. Basically, it's a bearish outside bar. This is a very strong formation, but of course there is a big but. It must be, if you want to have the very good, and if you want to build a strong setup, and if you want to have the very high probability setup, it is always important where this occurred. Okay, where this happening. Do we have some critical moving average there? Do we have some critical resistance according to price action? Do we have anything? So to find some critical pivotal point there, because this formation, for example, if you just observe these two candle formation, where this bar is actually also looks like upthrust bar, and it is upthrust bar in terms of volume analysis. So this is the upthrust bar, but it's also the two candle formation. It's a very bearish outside bar formation. So if you just isolate this and watch only for these patterns on the daily, you will not find so successful. You will have the up and downs. But when you filter this and when you observe where this happened, the percentage of winning setups will be much greater. So, for example, this setup and this candle formation happened in the very critical resistance. First of all, there is this resistance here where the massive supply started. As you see, price pretty much refuse to close above. This is a price action resistance. Then we have the 50 simple moving average here, which is also very crucial according to a daily time frame. And you see that actually we closed below this and we created this bearish outside bar in this 50 MA. So this is another, again, another big resistance there. And then you have third and fourth, you have Bollinger Bands here, this upper line here. You see we rejected from that point, price didn't close above this. And 4 as well, you got Ichimoku, basically the cloud resistance, and price exactly tested this. And also yesterday the price created some kind of also uptrust on this cloud. Okay, so you have a strong two candle formation according to the daily time frame on the very crucial resistance, and this is pretty much what you need to search if you want to establish the qualitative opportunities on the market. So it doesn't matter the price action. Price action can be very beautiful, and for example you can see a lot of reversal bars, for example, or stuff like that. But if the level where that happened is not too strong, that is pretty much not so good opportunity. Okay, it can lead you to potential fake opportunities or potential bad opportunities. So you want to find this kind of formations, candle patterns, together with all other proven aspects, together with volume analysis, and you can use moving averages and Bollinger Bands or Ichimoku. And then to find the price action, for example, if you want to sell price action resistance, to see where do we have any moving average there. Of course you can use Bollinger Bands, and you know. So in this video I wanted to explain you the one big word is where that happened. So this is a bearish outside bar formation, and this formation is very strong, but it is very strong when it appears on the strong resistance like this one. I don't know how much we can go lower. I have my target basically at 90, let's say at around the 100 level. So we'll try to take like 570 pips, risking 170 pips. Okay. If you watch the retracement, you should also maybe take the better price, for example, for 50, 60, 70 pips, depend, better price than I did. But again, this is still where I entered. It's still very close to this, where this uptrust closed, just a difference of 10 pips. So this is not late entry. You if you waited for retracement, the retracement happened basically. So some traders who waited for retracement, they got better price for a little bit, but on the short-term perspective, that's not so crucial. These 50 pips. Of course, where this can lead us, this supply. So we have this 103.40 level, like swing high, which we should probably like support, and then we have the key demand swings here around the 100 level in 99. So I will let this to this area, but I will observe the price action and manage my position according to the price action. Okay. Also, one more thing, I placed the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to this swing low, and this bearish outside bar formation actually happened exactly on the 61.8 retracement Fibonacci. So a lot of resistance there, and it's not surprise why we saw this formation and that sellers actually came in near this area. So you want these kind of setups again. You always want the best placement for your entry. And by the way, in this setup I risk 3% and I'm aiming for about 12%. So when this opportunity, when I see this kind of opportunity in the market, and this is a short-term opportunity based on the daily time frame, when I see the massive resistance and we are even in a downtrend, and there is also good price action, candle formations combined with volume analysis, it is it's very okay to risk even to, again, 2-3% in the setup, and go for at least 1-3 ratio, and even, and of course if you can take much more, but 1-3 is my minimum. So that will be all for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed, but again, this is additional video. I want to also answer on this trader who basically, my subscriber who also used the James 16 technique and the candle patterns. So I put all on this to explain you that you can absolutely use this, and together with my technique, with volume analysis, with also Ichimoku trading, and you can do that very successfully. So that will be all for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will also post, because I see that there is some traders from James Group. I will also post this on his thread, and I hope that I will help to other traders who trade who are there basically. And when I see the good opportunity, I will also use this and post on his thread. We all wish you good trading, and we'll see how this will work. So far it is very good, because I'm in plus right now, 75 pips from 80 pips. So it's a good progress, but again, I'm expecting in the next maybe week or two my target. It will be good if I can reach this week, but of course approximate I expect to 1 to 2 weeks. I wish you good trading. Again, stay tuned and trade safe.